because I'm carrying a body. Just the body that is in the car. Yeah. I've just been arrested in Masvingo for wrong parking. So now I'm on my way to the police station now. I don't know what the charges are. So I'll brief you very soon. I'm still having the body. The teenage tuna, I'm still carrying the body. Yeah, boss. Those IT guys also. In Asungwa, Masvingo, I've been arrested for wrong parking. Those who know Masvingo, it's a very difficult place to get a parking. I was very tired. I wanted to rest so that I can buy some food to eat. Show me the food that I bought. This is the food that I've just bought to eat because I was very hungry. I drove since last night. So now I'm on my way to the police station. They are going to lay the charge. Very disappointed, but I'm a law-abiding citizen. I'm going to the police station now, and they've asked me to remove all my valuable in the car. So I'm going